In this lesson, we're going to have a look at memberships. Memberships are a way of packaging up lots of products on your EzyCourse site into one conveniently accessible package. You can add courses, communities, digital downloads, whatever you like into your memberships and sell those either for a one-off payment or an ongoing subscription. So let's have a look at how to manage memberships on the EzyCourse dashboard. We head into products and services and go into the membership section. And here you can see there's a number of memberships already set up on this site. To create a new one, I'd just enter a plan name and hit the create button. Now, to show you how to use memberships, we're going to edit this existing membership here. And first, we're going to start by adding items to the membership. So up at the top on membership items, I'm going to select the membership subscription, and you can see the list is currently empty for the products that are in there. So I'm going to go ahead and add some courses. Next, I'll add a group chat. I'll add a community. And so on we can go. Let's add a video library too. So you can now see there's a list of items that have been added to the membership. Let's just have a look at a few more settings. The Enrolled Students tab allows you to see which students are enrolled onto the various different plans. You can choose them from this drop-down menu here. And on the Checkout Page tab, you can decide where your students go to when they have completed the checkout on your membership. So maybe you want to send them to a unique, custom created welcome page, which you can build in the website builder. Now, let's just go back and have a look at how to price our membership plans. So we're going to go back into the membership list, and this time click on the menu dots, and we're going to go to pricing. When we create a new price, we've got all the options available as we have with the other products. A one-time plan, a split payment plan, a subscription plan, a donation plan, and you can also make a membership free as well. Now, let's have a look at how this looks when a student accesses their membership. Well, back on our example site, you can see how we've used this page here to sell our memberships. We've used the website builder and some of the templates to set up a page with all of the different menu options. You can see there's monthly and yearly and lifetime options for our customers, and all the buttons are linked through to the checkout. If this was a paid membership, I would now need to enter my card details to purchase that membership. Once I've purchased my membership, just like with all the products, I can go to my student dashboard, click on memberships, and here I can see all the items that are included in my membership, and I can access any one of them. There's lots of things that you can do with memberships on your EzyCourse site. We go into more detail about this in other courses, but hopefully for now, that's enough for you to get started with creating memberships on your EzyCourse site.